Did you know that solar energy systems can reduce your electricity bills by up to 50%? Today I'm setting up WOW's powerful 540-watt solar panels to see just how much energy they can produce. Can solar power really transform our energy future? Welcome to the future of renewable energy. These WOW 540-watt solar panels are packed with advanced technology designed for maximum efficiency. In this video, I'll walk you through the setup process, explore their features, and test their performance to see if they live up to the hype. Choosing the right solar panels isn't easy. Many options promise high efficiency but fall short when it comes to real-world performance. Cost, durability, and ease of installation are also major factors. So how do these WOW 540-watt panels compare? That's exactly what we're here to figure out. What makes these panels stand out is their Halfcut PERC technology, which improves performance by reducing energy loss and increasing efficiency even in low light conditions. They're built with high-quality materials for durability and designed for easy installation. Watch as I set them up step by step and explain how they work. The moment of truth. I've got these panels hooked up and ready to go. Let's measure how much energy they generate under real-world conditions. Spoiler alert, these panels might just blow you away with their output and efficiency. Plus, I'll show you how they can drastically reduce energy bills and contribute to a sustainable future. The WOW 540-watt solar panels deliver impressive results, combining efficiency, durability, and ease of use. If you're considering solar energy, these panels are worth a serious look. Clean, renewable energy is more accessible than ever. What are your thoughts on solar energy? Have you tried using solar panels before? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more insights into solar tech and renewable energy solutions.